Hello and very good morning to all of the traders out there. So this is Rahul Prajapati and I welcome you all for the morning market briefing. So let's start with the SGX first. If we go and see, we can see a good gap up again. So right now market is trading near 18,200. Okay. So this is the level that we were anticipating. So yesterday we have seen a very good move in Nifty. So we were anticipating 80,000 level and market broke up 17,800 and went up to above 18,000, right? Now अगर हम अभी यहाँ पर देखें तो we can easily see that market is not so far from the all-time high, right? Okay, so it's just like 400 points more, right? And the initial hurdle that market can face around is 18,400 and 500, 600. So in totality, if we see that this is the area where market is likely to face the next resistance, right? Okay, so in between somewhere around 18,300 to 600. So these are the levels where we need to look for specifically. Okay, and on any dip we can see that market comes to 18,000. It's a good buying opportunity for Nifty. Again, if we see the data of open interest, it's clear that market is in uptrend. Last 2 days we are seeing the short covering specifically. And if we go and check the open interest from here, so highest call option as of now I can see at 18,500. So where we can see that is a resistance, और इमीडिएट बेसिस पे देखिए तो 18,200 का जो लेवल है ये भी हमारे लिए एक रेजिस्टेंस का काम करेगा, राइट? सो इसके आसपास ही मार्केट ओपन होता हुआ दिख रहा है. यहाँ से ऊपर जाएगा तो वी कैन सी दैट 18,500 कमिंग अप. काफी अच्छा एडिशन हुआ है. इफ वी सी ऑन द पुट साइड yesterday, so across all the strike prices we have seen a good addition. Even at 18,000 we have seen like more than 80-90% addition happened yesterday only. So that's a good sign. So it is providing a good support for Nifty. Going to Bank Nifty, देखें अगर तो बैंक निफ्टी में अगर स्पेसिफिकली देखें तो वी हैव अ गुड मूव yesterday because of the SDFC news that going on, but still on a technical chart if we see that these are the levels that we can easily anticipate on the higher side. So if we see on the higher side the 40,000 level that we are looking for as of now on the technical charts, right? Any dips towards like 38,000 could be a good buying opportunity, right? Let's check the OI chart for Bank Nifty. So we have seen that there's a good move coming up, but we have seen a good fall in the OI from the last few days, right? In OI, and it's all because of short covering. The move is just happening because of short covering here. Now, if you see on the higher side, 39,000 level we can anticipate, and 38,000 is a good support. So any breakout above 39 will take it to market to 40,000 very easily. That is what we can look for. Okay. Let's see the built up on the sector. So IT, fertilizers and medias are performing, right, as of now. So yesterday, top gainer and losers. So specifically SDFC Bank and SDFC are the two top gainers yesterday. More than approximately 10% move we have seen. We have seen the first approximately 15% move yesterday also, but they closed around 10%, right? And then India Mart is the second stock that we are looking for, right? These are the top gainers. Cholafin, Infosys and Emphasis were the top losers yesterday. So all contribution specifically because of the private banks and NBFC, right? So these are the two stocks, SDFC, which performed in these sectors. FMCG was also on the higher side but yesterday. Okay. Now let's talk about the stocks. So the first stock that we're looking for today is Cipla. So if you see Cipla, we have seen a good breakout somewhere around 1,000 level. It went up and it's a correction, right? It started showing a correction. So around 1,000 level, it took support again and started going up. If we go and check the levels for Cipla here. So 1,020 and 1,000 levels are actually showing a bit of addition on the put side. On the higher side, 1,040 is the immediate resistance I can see. Above that, we can look for 1,060 and 1,100 level on the higher side. So this is the view on Cipla specifically. And if we check Why? So it's very less of shorts since the last month. Okay, so probably in the consolidation, the good longs might be building up, and positions are creating in this area. So this consolidation might take up the market again up 1100 at least, right? Second stock is, again, we have seen a good move in India Mart yesterday. So if you see that, that's a trend line breakout happened, and after the consolidation, we have a good breakout. On the high side, we can see resistance at 5200 and 5500. But we are not going to jump into buy this stock because this might be a false breakout. So what we need to do is we need to wait for the correction in the stock. If the stock comes around like 4650, where we have a breakout yesterday, so if it comes to test that again, we'll go initiate the position around that, and probably 4500 would be a good support in that case, right? So we need to wait for the stock. Don't just go to the conclusion and buy it. Okay. And probably the next position we can take it if this stock gives a breakout above 4900 level, then we can go and take a position further, right? So just wait for this stock, but the stock seems to be turning out to be bullish, right? Okay. So even if you see here, good long positions and unwinding happening in this, so probably a good sign that the stock might go up from here, right? Okay, so let's see the ban list. So no addition in ban list, right? Okay. So if you see 18,200 and 18,500 are the resistance for Nifty. 18,000 is a good support. 39,000, 38,000 for Bank Nifty. IT fertilizer media is showing a long build up. Realty probably showing a bit of short side. Supply is a bullish stock, so above 1040 we can take a position on the long side. 1020 would be good support. The the second stock probably 40 the India Mart, so above 4600 the stock. So the stock has given a breakout, so we need to wait for the market to come down to 4600 level, and then might be thinking for a long position. 14500 would be good support in the stock, right? Okay. And no stock in the ban list as of now. So that's all from my side. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys. Bye and take care.